Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about BrioDirect, a company that claims to be a bank. I've been getting a lot of questions about BrioDirect lately, and I wanted to take some time to do some research and share my findings with you. What is BrioDirect? BrioDirect is a company that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. They also offer a number of investment products, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Is BrioDirect a bank? No, BrioDirect is not a bank. It is a fintech company that partners with banks to offer its products and services. This means that your money is not actually held at BrioDirect. Instead, it is held at a partner bank. What are the benefits of using BrioDirect? There are a number of benefits to using BrioDirect. One benefit is that they offer a wide range of financial products and services. This means that you can find everything you need in one place. Another benefit is that BrioDirect is often able to offer lower interest rates and fees than traditional banks. What are the risks of using BrioDirect? There are also some risks associated with using BrioDirect. One risk is that if BrioDirect goes out of business, you could lose your money. Another risk is that BrioDirect may not be able to offer the same level of customer service as a traditional bank. Should you use BrioDirect? Whether or not you should use BrioDirect depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you are looking for a low-cost way to manage your finances, BrioDirect may be a good option for you. However, if you are looking for a bank with a strong reputation and a wide range of services, you may want to choose a traditional bank instead. In conclusion, BrioDirect is not a bank. It is a fintech company that partners with banks to offer its products and services. There are both benefits and risks associated with using BrioDirect. Whether or not you should use BrioDirect depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.